Good morning, beautiful people. It's Sherry Moulton back with another video. I am going to do another Dutch pour today, but first I have to show you something. I'm going to turn around just 1 minute. You'll appreciate this. My new mask. Too funny. I had to show y'all because y'all know how I like my bling. My daughter sent me a link. Hilarious. I actually bought it. So anyway, I had to show you that. Too funny. So anyways, yeah, life is wonderful. Always better when we're doing some crafts. So I'm going to bring you down and I'll show you what we're doing. We are doing beautiful. Let me just try and get you straight. There we go. We are doing, this half is Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. Amazing color. I just love it the way it is right now, which is pretty cool. And the other base is just your Artist Loft Acrylic Flow Silver. This is actually not bad paint for the price it is, because you get quite a bit of it. So I mix all my paints with floetrol. I'll put my mix into the description box, and I've given it a torch already. I made sure I made sure it was full. And let's try not to get any body parts in this one. I apologize for my last Dutch pour because, oh my goodness, this is the story of my life. Anything and everything that went wrong. So today we are not going to do that. So I'm going to go through the colors. So this is Liquitex Quadracentrone Magenta with Artist Loft Iridescent Medium. We are using Folkart Treasure Gold Fire Opal Metallic. We're going to use Pebeo's Iridescent Green Yellow. We're going to try some Artist Loft Phthalo Blue with Iridescent Medium. We're going to try Tri-Art Ultramarine Blue with the Iridescent Medium. We're going to throw an orange in there. Pebeo Studio, I'm probably saying it wrong, Iridescent Orange Yellow. And just because we are going to throw in some Liquitex Basics Dioxazine Purple with the Iridescent Medium. A lot of colors, but we like it colorful, don't we? And there we go. I'm going to put purple down first just because it is what you don't want overtaking everything. And I do a squiggly line. There's no rhyme reason for it, just because I'm different. And it don't matter what you do. Oh, before I go, sorry. The middle canvas is this Artist Loft. It is a 8.5 by 14. And the outer two canvases are 6" by 12". Show it properly. There we go. And they're not gallery wrapped. They're just straight canvases. Here we go. Let me throw my gloves on. I didn't want my gloves on when I was showing you my blingy mask. Isn't that too funny though? I had to buy it because it was me. It was a Canadian dress shop that made them, so it must be for weddings and stuff, but I had to. It's me. There we go. Purple. And then we will go, what the hey, we'll do orange. I love all the Pebeo Studio's iridescent colors. They're so pretty. And we'll do the Tri-Art Ultramarine Blue. Oh my goodness. My hand is good, but then I always dig my nail in it for some reason. There we go. That's why I pulled this out, because this is easier. Woo! We'll do some copper, this Treasure Gold Fire Opal, Folkart. We will do the iridescent green yellow from Pebeo Studio. Oh my goodness. Oh, I just love that color. It's just a nice, something different in there. And I feel bad because these are probably all the colors that I use all the time. The Quadricentro magenta with iridescent medium. And last but not least, the Artist Loft Phthalo blue with iridescent medium. Oops, it must be a, I think we did this the last time. Let's come back in the middle because, oh my goodness, Sherry. There's a little bit of something in there. Excuse me. All right. As you can see, my when I was pouring the separate colors, I had a line of silver, but it's going to get blown over, so I wasn't too worried about that. Here we go. My torch is working, guys. And, of course, there's something in here. Let's just get that out. There we go. Alrighty, let's get the blow dryer so we can start. Let's start with the middle, and here we go, my friends. Hopefully it works. Goodness gracious. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. That looks like a, that's crazy. All those cells. Look at the colors in here. That orange is amazing. I'm just gonna blow this one a little bit. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I wanted some silver left here. I'm just going to give a torch where the color is kind of solid. This one, literally a peacock. Oh my goodness. I have a feeling that this will be having some resin on it. And oh my goodness. Wow, that is crazy how that went. I'm not going to touch it. This is crazy. Ridiculously crazy. Here, let me bring you down. See if we can get you a better shot. My apologies. I have to unscrew this little thing here. And here we go. I'll flip you around so you get a good view. Crazy. Like, look at the color. To me, this one that I'm showing you looks just like a peacock. That is just amazing. Like, look at the rose, that fire opal gold or silver is just cool. I'm sorry about the light. Like, look at how those little bubbles come up, those cells. And then you can see that, oh, you can just see the color in behind. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. This was the color I wanted to use on my first one I did. Like, look at that. That is just, All that lacing is pretty, pretty. Well, there we go, my friends. That was quick and easy. Oh my goodness, now what do we do? I guess we're done. I just wanted to say thank you very much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Hit the bell. It is somewhere in here, the bell, because apparently I don't know where it is. I told you it's the wrong spot. But anyways, it's somewhere on your screen. My apologies. Hit the bell so you get notifications next time. And give it a thumbs up. And yeah, hope you all have a wonderful hump day. Love yous. Bye.